This is the tarsier, a primate so unique it belongs to its own evolutionary branch, seemingly unchanged for 45. Deep within the shadows of Southeast Asia's oldest rainforests, a tiny mysterious figure waits for the cover of night. This is the tarsier, a primate so unique it belongs to its own evolutionary branch, seemingly unchanged for 45 million years. Its most iconic feature is its eyes. Disproportionately large, each eyeball is actually bigger than the tarsier's own brain. These eyes are so big they cannot move in their sockets. To look around, the tarsier must rotate its head, a full 180 degrees in either direction. Complementing its vision is acute hearing. Its large bat-like ears can detect the faint rustle of an insect from meters away. Locomotion is where the tarsier truly shines. They are masters of vertical clinging and leaping, spending their lives off the ground. Their name comes from these elongated ankle bones. Functioning like powerful springs, they allow this tiny creature to jump over 40 times its body length. To ensure a safe landing, their fingers are equipped with specialized adhesive pads, providing a death grip on even the smoothest bark. Unlike almost every other primate, the tarsier is a pure carnivore. It eats no plants, fruits, or nuts, only meat. Its diet is primarily insects, beetles, grasshoppers, and cicadas, but it is an opportunistic hunter of anything it can catch. Occasionally, it will even take down small vertebrates, including frogs, lizards, and even small venomous snakes. The hunt is a game of patience and precision. The tarsier watches, listens, and strikes with a speed that is hard for the eye to follow. By day, the tarsier seeks sanctuary in the densest vegetation. It is a reclusive creature, avoiding the harsh glare of the tropical sun. Daylight is a time of vulnerability. Their lack of a reflective layer in their eyes makes bright light overwhelming and dangerous. Their social lives are as mysterious as their appearance. While some species are solitary, others form tight-knit, long-term pairs. Territories are defended not with force, but with scent. Urine and glandular secretions tell neighbors exactly where the boundaries lie. They also communicate through a complex language of vocalizations, some so high-pitched they are completely inaudible to human ears. For the female, the continuation of the species is a demanding journey. Gestation lasts nearly 6 months, a long time for such a small animal. When the infant arrives, it is surprisingly well developed. Born with fur and eyes open, it is nearly a quarter of its mother's weight. Within just an hour of birth, the tiny tarsier is already capable of clinging and even climbing, a necessary trait in the high-stakes jungle. The mother is devoted, carrying her young in her mouth or on her back as she navigates the dangerous heights of the rainforest. By 45 days, the young tarsier begins to hunt for itself, trading its mother's milk for the high-protein diet of an adult. But these ancient lineages are now facing their greatest challenge. Habitat loss and fragmentation are tearing their world apart. Deforestation for agriculture and infrastructure isolates these tiny primates, making it harder for them to find mates and maintain genetic health. Human disturbance and the illegal pet trade add to their plight. Tarsiers are extremely sensitive to stress and do not survive long in captivity. So severe is their sensitivity that stressed tarsiers have been known to injure themselves, highlighting why they must remain in the wild. Fortunately, sanctuaries are working to protect them. These protected havens allow tarsiers to live undisturbed in their natural habitat. Scientists are racing to understand these creatures before they disappear, using non-invasive techniques to unlock the secrets of their biology. Often called the missing link between lemurs and monkeys, the tarsier offers us a rare window into our own primate history. They have survived mass extinctions and shifting continents. Now, their future depends entirely on our willingness to share the land. To save the tarsier is to save the rainforest itself, a web of life that has sustained these tiny giants for millions of years. They are the silent sentinels of the night, watching over a world that is changing faster than they can adapt. As the moon rises once more, the tarsier begins its hunt. With our help, its story will continue for ages to come. Stay curious, stay wild. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.